Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Software Automation Experience. In today's video, I am going to explain you about how to execute Jmeter test suite from a non GUI mode, that is called command line interface. Okay, to execute Jmeter suite from command line mode, first let me open command prompt from this folder where we need to navigate to the folder where we have our JMX file present. Okay, then yeah, go open command prompt from that folder by just typing cmd and pressing enter. So command prompt has been opened. Okay, so here we need to write the command to run it as from the command line mode or from the non GUI mode. For that, first of all, uh, I'll write jmeter tool name. So I want to invoke jmeter tool from this path, and then I want to load all the config properties which is present in uh, config.properties file. So for that, what I can give is hyphen q is the command, is equals to pass the file name config.properties. Okay, this is the file name where I have all my configurations provided, like IP address, protocol, and yeah, service port and other paths, other variables as well. So this way we can load the config properties in a non GUI mode. Further, I need to pass -n, which means I am going to run this test suite in a non GUI mode. And next, I need to pass the test plan name. So just pass the test plan name, I need to make use of -t. -t means test plan name. Now pass test plan name here. What is my test plan name? That is the .jmx file name. So pass the entire name of .jmx file after -t space jmx file name. And then if I want to write the logs for this execution, I can pass it as -j and then log file to be generated. As you can see, there is no log file written in this source folder. I want my log file to be generated with name test.logs. Okay, so this way we can specify the log file name of our choice, whatever the name you want to give, we can give. And yeah, this way, first the Jmeter tool to invoke, and then load config.properties file using the -q, and then say that it's a non GUI mode by passing -n, and then say -t, and then pass the test plan name, that is the case, so that is the jmx file name, and then pass the logs file name post -j. Okay, and then now we need to just press enter and see if it executes the test code. So if you guys can see, it has already started the execution, and the execution also completed, and the test suite run has completed. By just seeing end of run, we'll come to know that there is the test suite run has been completed. Now go back to the source folder and see if the results or and logs got written. Okay, first of all, let me go to results folder and see if there is any results written. Yeah, as you can see, there are results present, which is the current one actually. So this is the name itself says as 2021 26 September and 1326. As you can see, 126 is the time here. So that is what it is. Okay, so this way the results got generated, and also we wanted the logs file also be generated, right? So as you can see, test.logs file got generated. By opening this file, you'll come to know about the logs of the test suite run. So as you can see, it has loaded config properties and then config. So all of the things will be written as logs, okay, in this file. Now yeah, let me show you by opening those results file, any of the results file. So to open this result file, this ATL file, I need to launch Jmeter from this folder. Launch the Jmeter. And add a listener give results tree to test plan, and then browse the file which is present in results folder. Any of it should be okay. So once we load that file, you can see the results. Okay, so what this is the request, HTTP request, and what is the result of it, the response, everything we can check. And also the request details like an HTTPS request, and then I have passed the IP address, the port address, these are the other variables, and here our data can go. And in the response we can get the response of the proper service. Okay, this way we can this way we can achieve we can execute a Jmeter test suite from command line or from non GUI mode. So that's all from this video, guys. So if you like this, please subscribe to my channel, Software Automation Experience. And if you have any comment, any doubts, please write in the comments, and stay tuned in the next video.